Brew rich, flavorful coffee every morning with the BLACK+DECKER CM2045B-1, powered by Vortex technology for full taste extraction. Its thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for hours, fresh, smooth, and ready anytime without a warming plate. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER thermal coffee maker, filter basket, 12-cup stainless steel, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. To use the BLACK+DECKER CM2045B-1, add 1 tablespoon of medium ground coffee for each cup you want to brew, then fill the water reservoir to the matching cup level. Place the thermal carafe under the brewer, close the filter basket, and press start. The machine automatically brews the amount of water you add, while Vortex technology helps extract rich flavor. You can pause brewing to pour a cup with the Sneak a Cup feature, and the thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for hours without a warming plate. Regular cleaning and descaling help maintain the best performance. How to clean. To clean and descale the BLACK+DECKER CM2045B-1, make sure the water reservoir, filter basket, and thermal carafe are empty, and do not install a paper filter. Pour white vinegar into the reservoir up to the 5-cup mark, then add fresh water until it reaches the 12-cup mark. Close the lid and activate the auto-clean cycle by pressing and holding the power button for 5 seconds until Clean appears on the display. The machine will brew part of the vinegar solution, pause automatically for about 30 minutes to let the heating element soak, and then resume to complete the cleaning cycle. Once finished, discard the solution, wash the carafe and filter basket with soap and water, then run at least 2 or 3 full brew cycles using only fresh water to remove any remaining vinegar taste or odor. For best performance. Smart features? The exclusive showerhead design evenly saturates the coffee grounds, helping extract maximum flavor and aroma from every brew. This optimized water flow delivers a richer, smoother, and more consistent cup of coffee. The vacuum-sealed multi-layer thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for hours without the need for a warming plate. Its insulated stainless steel design helps preserve flavor while reducing heat loss over time. Set your preferred brew time up to 24 hours in advance for fresh coffee whenever you need it. The programmable timer adds convenience to your routine and ensures your coffee is ready when you are. Choose between regular and strong brewing modes to match your preferred coffee taste. The strong setting extends the brewing process for a bolder, richer, and more robust flavor. The built-in cleaning function helps remove mineral buildup and maintain optimal brewing performance. A convenient clean indicator alerts you when it's time to descale the coffee maker. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the BLACK+DECKER Thermal Programmable Coffee Maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER Thermal Programmable Coffee Maker. See you at the next one.